Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best gadgets is probably one of the most exciting categories of products to explore right now, offering a blend of innovation, entertainment, and practical solutions for everyday life, and in this video, we're diving deep into a curated selection of the latest and greatest tech toys designed specifically for adults. From mind-bending puzzles and immersive gaming accessories to sophisticated smart home devices and unique personal gadgets that promise to elevate your downtime and streamline your routines, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve with cutting-edge technology that's both fun and functional. Number 5. Force 1 Scoot Hand-Operated Drone. Meet the original hand-operated drone from Force 1 Scoot family. Simply toss it into the air and watch it light up with vibrant LEDs during every flight. This beginner-friendly indoor drone offers multi-directional flight. Its smart motion sensors allow you to guide it with your hand, and catch it easily when you're finished. Designed with a non-toxic, webbed shell, this flying toy protects both hands and surroundings. It also keeps the drone safe from impacts during indoor flights. This easy-to-fly UFO drone is perfect for beginners, ages 8 and up. It's a fantastic STEM toy for both kids and adults. Enjoy up to 8 minutes of flight time on a 50-minute charge. It comes with a USB cable for convenient recharging, ensuring endless fun. What we like. This flying orb is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. Its motion sensors allow for hands-free control, and the durable shell ensures it can withstand tumbles. If you're looking for a fun, interactive toy that doesn't require complex controls, this is a fantastic choice for both kids and adults. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. It features a powerful processor that handles demanding tasks with ease. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 10 hours on a single charge. Number 4. Small Fish Infinity Cube Sensory Fidget Toy. Introducing the Infinity Cube, the ultimate handheld fidget toy designed for everyone. It's perfect for keeping your hands busy and minds engaged. Feeling stressed? This cube is your perfect companion to release tension from school or work. Say goodbye to nervous habits and hello to calm. Enjoy hours of fun and improve your finger dexterity with this addictive toy. It's a great way to stay entertained and focused, whether you're in class or at your desk. Boost your concentration during study sessions or brainstorming with its simple yet engaging design. This noiseless, compact cube helps you stay on track. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and strong metal rivets, this cube is built to last. Its superior quality ensures a satisfying and long-lasting fidgeting experience. Looking for a unique gift? This cool mini gadget is ideal for kids and adults alike, making it a fantastic present for any occasion. What we like. This fidget cube offers a satisfying tactile experience for continuous engagement. It's designed to help alleviate stress and keep your hands busy without being disruptive. If you need a discreet way to manage stress or simply enjoy repetitive, calming motions, this gadget is ideal for work, school, or travel. What people say. The quality of this Infinity Cube is very high. It reminds me of my son's Speed Cubes. Dense plastic with well-made hinges. It's very high quality, it will last a long time. The thing is, it is just engaging enough to hold your attention but not so much that it requires actively processing what you are doing. You can fiddle with this and 100% follow a TV show. Your hands learn the pattern and then you can do this and easily read the high degree of retention. I really enjoyed the weight of the puzzle as I tumble it over and over again in my hand. It is very satisfying to fidget with. High quality and fun to play with. Number 3. LEGO Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR142093. Build and experience an iconic supercar with this incredible set. It's a true representation of automotive excellence, designed for builders of all ages. This is more than just a model, it's a 2-in-1 LEGO Technic set. You can rebuild it into a cool hot rod replica for even more building fun. Discover realistic features like a large rear wing, 4 tailpipes, and black spoked rims with low-profile tires. You can even see the V8 pistons moving. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 model measures over 3 inch high, 11 long, and 4 wide. The hot rod alternative is also impressively sized at over 3 inch high, 9 long, and 4 wide. With 579 pieces, this set is perfect for builders aged 9 and up. It's also a fantastic collectible for fans and kids of all ages. Expand your building horizons. This set can be combined with all other original LEGO sets and bricks for limitless creative construction. What we like. This building set allows you to construct a highly detailed replica of a famous supercar. With its realistic features and the option to rebuild it into a different model, it offers extended engagement. If you're a fan of cars, enjoy intricate building challenges, or appreciate realistic mechanical models, this set provides a rewarding experience. What people say. He had fun with the special details in this design, such as the moving pipes, foldable bumper that goes up high, and shaped roof panels. The final product looks realistic. The steering of the front wheels is controlled by a gear in the back. The pistons move when pushed. Pretty nifty. The assembly starts to involve the actual mechanics of the automobiles, such as the transmission of the movement of the pistons to the rotation of the rear wheels. Number 2. Elikliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope 1000X. Experience stunning 720p HD visuals on a large 4.3-inch screen. Its bright display with 8 adjustable LEDs reduces eye strain, offering comfortable, real-time viewing. This device offers powerful magnification, allowing you to explore the intricate details of small objects. Discover a world unseen by the naked eye. Easily connect it to your Windows or MacBook for a larger view on your computer. Share live images or save your findings for later analysis. With 8 adjustable LED lights, you can achieve optimal illumination in any lighting condition. This ensures clear and detailed observations every time. Perfect for inspecting electronics, coins, jewelry, and more. It's also a fantastic educational tool for kids and a great gift for enthusiasts. The height adjustable stand allows you to easily change the distance to your subject. Find the perfect angle and achieve precise focus for the clearest images. Featuring a built-in rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous use. Its portability makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor adventures. What we like. This digital microscope provides a clear, large view of tiny details without straining your eyes. Its high magnification and ability to connect to a PC make it versatile for various applications. If you're interested in exploring the microscopic world for hobbies like coin collecting, jewelry inspection, or educational purposes, this tool offers excellent clarity and convenience. What people say. It provides very clear information on items with very small writing. It is a little tricky on items that are super shiny, but I can still make out the marks by adjusting the lighting. The resolution is just enough, and there are settings to zoom in even more while maintaining clarity. I love that you don't have to connect it to a mobile phone like some others I've seen on Amazon because it comes with a reasonably sized 1080p screen. Has sharp clear 4.3-inch color screen, takes pictures and videos. The screen is clear and bright and easy to use, a fun tool toy for sure. It is cool. It has an adjustable light wheel with lots of light and the focus is easy and smooth to turn, producing a sharp clear picture. Number 1. Shocktato Party Game by Stormwired. Get ready for Shocktato, the electrifying party game that takes tossing games to a whole new level. It's designed for endless laughter and unforgettable moments. Choose from 3 thrilling modes: extreme for a heart-pounding challenge, normal for suspenseful fun, or lame for a music-only experience suitable for younger players. Simply turn it on, select your mode, and start passing it around. Watch as players react to the jolt and prepare for uncontrollable laughter. Looking for a unique gag gift or stocking stuffer? This is the perfect choice for teens and adults who love a good laugh and a bit of a thrill. The objective is simple: pass it fast and avoid the shock. We guarantee a laugh-out-loud good time that will have everyone talking. Dare to try extreme mode? Select it, choose an unsuspecting victim, and hit start for an unforgettable prank. Share the hilarious outcome with all your friends. What we like. This game guarantees laughter and suspense with its unique shocking mechanic. With different modes, it can be tailored for various levels of intensity and age groups. If you're looking for a guaranteed icebreaker for parties, a fun gag gift, or a way to inject some unpredictable excitement into a gathering, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It does give you a good shock and will continue on to someone else if it is passed quickly enough. The lane just goes like a regular hot potato game. WA buzzer to let you know. The shock level is the same for normal and extreme. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.